Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360 again. Today we will create such kind of component with the help of various commands available in Fusion 360. For that, first we have to draw four different circle of 150 mm dia, 70 mm dia, and from here we can see 90 mm dia, and this is 70 mm dia. So here I am closing this window and go to the Fusion 360 interface. First I draw a circle of 70 mm. Next, I will draw a circle of 90 mm. Then one more circle I will draw here 150 mm. And one more circle of 120 mm. Now, as per the drawing, we have to create such holes of 15 mm diameter. For that, in Fusion 360 interface, I will draw four circles 15 mm in this way. Now I will use pattern command, circular pattern, select this one. I will choose this as a center point. Here I will provide the quantity as 4 and press. After this, I will finish this sketch. Now I extrude it, select this one, and as per the drawing, you can see we have to provide this is 270 mm. So we will provide it up to. Now I will extrude this profile up to 10 mm. For that, select this extrude command, select this one and this one, and extrude it up to 10 mm. After extruding it, what we have to do, we have to create such kind of feature at this place. For that, here I will use mirror command. Before that, I will construct a offset plane, select this face and create an offset plane at a distance of minus 135 distance and press OK. After this, what we have to do, select this mirror command. After selecting this mirror command will ask us what is object type. This is body, face, feature. Here we will select this feature, select this in this way, and then select the mirror and press OK. So as you can see, we have created an object of this image. Now we will create this one. For that, what we have to do, we have to create a plane, an offset plane at a distance. From here we can see it is at a distance of 160 mm. So here I will provide this is 160 and press enter. After this, go to create a sketch, select this plane and create the same profile as we have created initially. So here I am drawing again the circle of 70 mm, then one more circle of 90 mm, then one more circle of 150 mm, then one more circle of 120 mm. Then we will draw four different circles, or we can use the pattern command. Here I draw a 15 mm circle and press enter. And from here I will choose this circular pattern command, select this one, select this center point, this one, and provide the quantity here as 4 and press OK. After this, what we have to do, just finish the sketch. From here, what we have to do, we have to select this extrude command, select this one. Here, what we have to do, extend type, we have to select this to object. And as we select this object, it will create such kind of object and press OK. Now, visualize this sketch one and select this one, extrude it up to -10 and press enter. The next, what we have to do, just select this one and provide it up to -170 so that it will become hollow. So now as you can see what we have created. By the help of various commands available in Fusion 360, we can create such kind of object what we have seen in this particular image. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you.